Google Translate is cool, but what if you could build your own version, powered by AI, and completely over-engineered in Python? Today, we're building the world's simplest LLM translation app, and turning it into a sleek API you can use in your own projects. Time to conjure an AI polyglot. Grab LangChain and load your .env, hide that key or AI will start translating your bank statements. GPT-4o Mini gives you GPT-4 quality on a diet plan, perfect for fast, cheap translations. 2 user messages, 1 system vibe. We're basically gaslighting the model into becoming Google Translate. Translate text is our moneymaker. Build the prompt, hit the model, profit in multilingual cliches. Run the file, and boom, your AI says ciao, faster than Duolingo can threaten your family. Now, let's slap an API on it so you can use it in a web app, mobile app, or just impress your coworkers with your hacker energy. We're using FastAPI, the fastest way to pretend you know what you're doing. 1 endpoint, 2 fields, pure translation magic. Send it some JSON and get your beautifully translated sentence back. No API key from Google required. Visit /docs to try it live with Swagger UI, because typing curl commands is so last decade. And that's it. You just built your own AI translation service in Python using LangChain and FastAPI. It's lightweight, blazing fast, and won't send you passive-aggressive notifications like Duolingo. Smash like, obliterate subscribe, and remember, if it sounds smart, it's probably just a wrapper around GPT.